today I'm here to talk to you about why to engage in peer review. This is from the Supporting Strategic Writers Curriculum by Dr. Charles MacArthur and Dr. Zoe Traga-Filipakos. I'm Kate Cottle from Wilmington University. Whenever anybody wants to talk to you about peer review, your first reaction is probably, I hate this, nobody knows any more than I do. And you know what? You are absolutely correct. No one does know any more than you do. But the reason that you engage in peer review is because it benefits you, not the person you're reviewing. The first thing that you have to know about this whole process is it's really hard to look at your own writing objectively. You're emotionally attached to it. And so it's hard to see the text structures or elements in it. And so you look at somebody else's paper and it's much, much easier for you to see those text structures or elements like the issue statement or the position statement or the first reason or whatever in somebody else's writing. And then you can go to published articles, and again, it's going to be easier for you to see what the main idea is, what the supporting reasons are, all of those text structures. And then you go back to your own writing, and it's much, much easier to see the text structures. So that's the first reason that you engage in peer review, is it increases your analytical skills about the structures in writing. And again, your feedback is probably not going to help the person who you're reviewing, but you still want to go all in because it's helping you. The next thing you want to know about peer review is that even if you already see all the text structures, this is an opportunity to practice your soft skills. When you're doing peer review, you're going to have to say things to that other person that you might not want to say because you're afraid it's going to hurt their feelings, or you don't want to call someone out on not having done the assignment, all of those things. But this is an opportunity for you to say, okay, this person doesn't really have an issue statement, so how can I tell them that they're missing an issue statement in a way that they're hearing me and they're able to make the correction? And so one of the things that I recommend in a peer review is called the compliment sandwich. You start out by saying something positive, you give the constructive feedback, and then you end positive. At least one of those positive statements should be very, very specific to the person's writing rather than good job or great work. It should be something like, in your first reason, when you offered evidence, that evidence was really specific and it really helped me to understand your point. And then offer the constructive criticism and then end again positive. This is a way that you can talk to people and they'll be able to hear you giving them constructive feedback, and they'll be able to take it from you because they're not feeling threatened, they're not feeling like you're attacking them personally. The compliment sandwich really, really helps. So why do you want to develop these soft skills? In the future collaborative workplace environment, employers are going to be looking for people who have this set of soft skills, who can say the difficult thing in a polite way where the audience can hear it. And so, again, this is going to be a marketable skill, not just throughout the rest of college, but the rest of your professional life. So, these are the reasons to go all in for peer review. It's going to increase your literacy because you're going to be able to see text structures, whatever kind of writing you're looking at, whether it's professional published writing or other students' writing, teachers' writing, textbook writing. It increases your critical thinking skills. Again, you're able to analyze text structures much more clearly and see the connections where they are in writing and also sometimes where they're lacking. And then the last thing that it's going to do is it's going to increase your interpersonal skills so that you can talk to people about difficult things and still be effective. And this is why you go all in for peer review.